Hi everyone, my name is Claudia Iriarte. I chose the content-based method for this presentation. According to the author Frank, content-based instruction is the teaching of content or information in the language being learned with little or no direct or explicit effort to teach the language itself, separately from the content being taught. Applying this method, we can find some advantages like learning a language is more interesting and motivating. Students can develop different skills like study skills, critical thinking, language skills in real life situations. Students can feel more motivated with the materials, content used by the teachers. Students can also enjoy their school experience. And some of these advantages that we can find are language instruction can confuse learners. Overuse of native language can be a problem also, and some students copy from the books they use where they get their information. We can conclude that content-based instruction could be demanding for both teachers and students, but it can also be interesting and challenging. The way this approach is implemented will be reflected on the enthusiasm of students, the resources, and the context. It could be really important to try to apply it, making other teachers be involved in order to have students to develop their learning skills and language skills across the different subjects. Thank you for your attention.